This is tutorial 1-4 in the GIS tutorial 1 book, and we're on page 20, measuring distances. So the first thing we're going to do is, this is still tutorial 3, we're going to save it, and we're going to call it tutorial 1-4, click on save. Then we want to go to bookmarks, 48 contiguous states, and it brings us back to our map of the 48 states here. Now we're going to click on the measure button, which is a little ruler with arrows, although this icon is so small it's kind of hard to tell if that's what it is. So we're going to click on that, and it brings up this little window, and for this selection right here, we can select distance or area. We're going to do distance, and we're going to make sure we have it set in miles because those are the units that we're used to. Now we're on the top of page 21, and what we want to do is we want to measure Washington State. Well, since it doesn't say anything about zooming in on it, but that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to get rid of this for a minute. Now the window will stay open, but I'm going to turn that button will become unselected when I click over here. And now I'm just going to select Washington State. Okay. Now it'll be a little bit easier for me to precisely measure my distances. So I need to go back and turn this measuring tool on, and now I've got the little crosshairs again, and I want to be right on that western tip, and you know, this cursor here does not make it easy to precisely position the cursor on the screen. Okay, if we just had the crosshairs, it would be easier. So I'm going to go from there to there, and I'm going to let go of the mouse. Whoops. Let's click on it. There we go. And it still wants to follow me. We'll just ignore that for now. So when I was here, it said that my distance was about, let me see right there, about 334 miles, which is almost exactly what it says in the textbook on the bottom of page 21. And now we're going to close the measure window over here. Click on it and click on the red and white X to close it. And that brings us to the end of tutorial 1-4. Again, I'll leave the your turn part up to you.